The price of gas in Europe has already surpassed $3,200 per 1,000 cubic meters. Russia's oil output has fallen by another 5.5% over the past week. Moreover, it continues to decline. Despite all this, oil prices returned to the $100 mark per barrel, following a rise to the $102 mark. And this can be attributed to ongoing uncertainty over Iranian oil. Market participants expect the sanctions targeting the sale of Iranian oil to be lifted in the coming days. This, in turn, prevents oil prices from extending gains. However, even the United States removes a few of its sanctions. This will only lead to a short-term decline in the quotes. After all, OPEC Plus will be forced to cut output to avoid an imbalance between supply and demand. After that, oil is expected to resume its bullish run. In the meantime, following short-term stagnation near the 102 mark, Brent crude oil futures pulled back towards $100 per barrel. And this psychological level acted as support, and the benchmark eased the pace of its pullback. Thus, if the quote consolidates above 102.50, at least on the 4-hour chart, Brent crude oil will most likely gain value. In case the quote fixes below 99, the market may see an increase in the volume of long positions, followed by a trend change. In anticipation of today's speech by Jerome Powell, gold has stabilized around $1,755 per troy ounce. Its further dynamics depend solely on the Fed chair's statements at the Jackson Hole Symposium. If the head of the U.S. Central Bank announces the need to temper the pace of coming interest rate hikes, the yellow metal will go up towards $1,800 per troy ounce. Otherwise, gold is expected to suffer losses. After the price fixes below $1,750, the metal is likely to dip to $1,700 and below. As for the ruble, the situation remains unchanged. The Russian currency has been confidently drifting around 60 rubles per dollar for several days now. Traders expect the Ministry of Finance to resume foreign exchange interventions as early as September. However, these are just unconfirmed rumors. The agency itself has not yet made any official comments on this issue. If nothing changes at the beginning of the next week, the ruble will begin to gradually gain value. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.